Hello guys, today we are showing how to get the bosses. Okay, so okay, now Roblox.com slash but there. Okay, now it's gonna be dumb, but I just go to the end of the bosses. Look, so all you need to do is tweet Roblox and look. Okay, you see, I already got that already. Code already. When did? Okay, if it works on you, yeah, it's a check. But stop. Sorry, it was my dad. Then code already when did. So enjoy your photo pet. I always love it. I like it. Look. There's another code, but I need to say, but it's I just can't remember it. So 12 and with 12 and it's not that one. Okay. Let me check. Okay. See ya, guys. Enjoy your pet photo. See ya.